Hello friends, welcome to Mr. Smart Choice. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Payoneer Account 2022 step by step. How to create and get approved and verified instantly. If you're new here, subscribe this channel and turn on notification bell to get updates once we release new video. So, firstly, open your browser and search for http://bit.ly/Payoneer for link in the video description, or you can check out the first comment section to get this link. You have to follow this link in order to register. You will earn $25. After you tap this link, it will be like this interface of Payoneer website dashboard where you have to create account. There's several methods you can create account, but you shall not get that. Make sure that you watch this procedure in order to create an account and get verified instantly without delaying or too much wasting of time. As you can see here, when you tap on get paid with freelancer, you will get paid by publishers, platform, and other cryptocurrency app. Of course, you can use it to create account with Payoneer account with freelancing. Or if you tap on individual and tap get paid by friends and family, you will not going to create account with that. They will not allow you, because Payoneer, it will only allow you to create account to get paid by a punk company like a Fiverr or a platform that will pay you, a business company that will pay you to your bank account. But the personal one, it will not allow you to create account. So right now, after you click this link, tap on sign up and earn $25. We are doing it here. You can create account for free and easily. After you tap on individual. Follow this link. Don't skip this video. You have to watch it to the end so that you can get it. Tap up individual. As you can see, get paid by international client for, then agency or service will pay you. Get paid by client and marketplace, for instance, a Fiverr, Getty Image, and more. Or Upwork will pay you through this from their account to this Payoneer account. Either it's US currency or British, that is pounds, or euro. All of them, they will pay you. As you can see here, you can read the instruction more in the video description to tap the link. Tap on register. As you can see here, then you have to input your details. What I mean here, your name, email address, create a password by your choice, then I think date of birth. As you can see here, we are just creating a name, we are fonting our name, then email address. We have to input our email address twice in order to confirm it is that email, then date of birth. So guys, don't forget to watch the video to the end. I'm choosing the date of birth here. After I choose, then click search. Tap on next. Then the next step is to input we have to create address, as you can see here, then city and town, as you can see, then postal code, then input your mobile number. They will send you an OTP, one-time password to verify that mobile number. As you can see here, we are doing it. Okay, postal card, then I'll force the number I will be using right now, then get code. So I have received the OTP right now. I'm going to paste it, as you can see here, and tap at next. Then we have to create a security questions. Why, if you want to reset your password, for instance, if you got your password, you can use that security questions to answer. Then they will enable you to change your password or reset your password reset. So as you can see here, I'm going to input my password. After that, then I'm going to input my card details. That is national identity card number. That is ID card number. It depends which one you can use. But Payoneer in Nigeria, if you're from Nigeria, you can use your ID card number and input the verification code you see. They'll provide you a 6-digit code like this and input them in order to get more intelligent verification like this, or you can see here. So I just hide it so that I'll bypass it. You can do it. So after you finish, they'll provide you a space again where you have to input your account details, account name, bank name, in order to receive your money from your bank account. So if you're Payoneer to your bank account. So I'm going to input my details right now. I'm doing it. I recommended you can use an NG Naira account, or you can use your dollar account, or pounds account, British account, that is pounds or euro account if you're from Nigeria, and you can use normal dollar account to receive your money, or you can use NG. And for instance, if you're using Kuda Bank, easily you can receive your money from this Payoneer account to the Kuda Bank account, as you can see here. So pass your account number, then click on next. As you can see here, am I doing it? After you finish, tap on that next. You see in the orange sign. Yeah. the congratulations, your application have been submitted. Right now it's currently under review. As you can see here, it's in progresses. So once they have reviewed my applications, they will approve it, or I say they may verify it, as you can see here. So after you finish register or you submit your account opening registration, you have to verify your email address. They will mail you a message to confirm a link that mail via that email. As you can see here, I will tap on confirm your link or tap on to verify your email address right now. After I type it, as you can see here, thank you, my email has been verified, as you can see here. So right now guys, so that's actually how you can do it. I will show you a message that sent me that my application is currently in progress. As you can see here, your application to Payoneer is under review, as you can see here. So watch the video to the end. I will show you how I did it. I get approved within 5 minutes. Carefully listen. So let me go. As you can see here, your application have been approved successfully. Right now I can start receiving money international by client like a Fiverr, Getty Image. I can receive US dollars, euro, funds. Yeah, of course I can receive it, and I can transfer them. I can withdraw them to my bank account, as you can see here. So let's go and sign in into my account we just created right now for you. Are you seeing it? And don't forget, I'm a Mr. Smart Choice. Subscribe this channel if you really like this video, and turn on notification bell to get updates once we release new video. So I'm going to sign in into my account right now. After that, I must turn on two-step verification in order to log in into my account. So I recommend that you too can do this by sending the OTP, that is one-time password, again in order to enable two-step verification. Nobody can broke into your account, or I say nobody can do something to your account. Your money will be safe, and this code you can copy it or take a screenshot of it in order to use them without using OTP, that is without sending you an OTP, as you can see here guys. So after you finish, it will be us as a dashboard of the app, as you can see here. To now, we just created a Payoneer, and we just created and verified approved Payoneer account. Now we can use it to send and receive money. But how we can get the account number? For instance, a question may come into your mind, and there is something they show us about your security questions. Of course, there's a security question we have to add it. For instance, if you want to set your if you want to reset our Payoneer account, or if you want to log into web, that is more additional setting. You know that I can know that you can add a security questions where you can prevent your account from hackers or anything else. And if we tap on profile, as you can see here, you can see more information about my profile. Of course, that's right. And there's something guys I will show you right now is I'll be signing out into this account. In the next video, I'll be showing you how you can get account number, and I'll be showing you how you can start making money with Payoneer. Right now, I'm in my active account, the account I'm currently used. I will show you the account number I receive, how I receive account number right now in this video. So this is I already have account number, British, that is pounds account number, euro account number, and dollar account number. And a business client or marketplace can send you money, or company like this can send me money directly, but personal one will not send me. For instance, personal on, okay, transfer from bank account, okay, transfer from another one person to another, will not, that is individual, will not send you money. As you can see here, this is my US dollar account. That's the instruction I'm going to send. I am going to tell you, use local transfer, as you can see here. And if you go back, I can see you my pounds account number. I can receive my payment from Getty Image or Fiverr if you have a Fiverr. So, and if you want to start making money with this, I'll be showing you. I will upload a speak video how to make money on Fiverr. Okay, how to make money on Payoneer application right now. As you can see here, right now this is my account. I can receive the money. So guys, in the next video, and I'll be showing you right now firstly how to get your account number. That will be our next video, and I'll be showing you how to make money, and there's some option. If you invite someone, you can earn. And in terms of withdrawal, you can withdraw your money automatically from your bank account. Like I have said, you can use your Naira account, or you can use your dollar account. Of course, it will be due, but I recommended you, if you are from Nigeria, you can use your Kuda bank. It will be easier for you to receive your pay money to your Kuda bank account. Of course, if you have upgraded your Kuba, and if you want your money to be in Naira account, but otherwise it will be in dollar if you have other bank account. But it's a simple way I recommended you, as you can see here guys. So this is my account. I often the account I'm currently using. Next video, like I see, I'll be showing you firstly how to update, how to create, how to get US dollar account number, British account number, and other account number. And I'll be showing you how to start making money on Payoneer. And as you can see here, there's option like, see, if you refer somebody, you will earn $25. So I'll be showing you how you can do it in our next video. Make sure that you watch our next video to the end so that you get it. Thank you so much. See you next class.